What is drag orthogonal option? When this option is enabled, when you move a component with wire, the wires will be kept at right angle or orthogonal, like this. As you can see, there's a right angle here. But when this option is disabled, the angle will be repositioned obliquely. Let's see. Right click, Preferences, go to Schematic, General, and disable by unchecking this box. Okay, now let's move this component with this wire. As you can see, the wires are not like this, angled at 90 degree, but are oblique. This option has 4 different settings: smallest, small, medium, and large. Let's see how each one behaves. Let's right click, Preference, enable the drag orthogonal option again. As you can see, there are many different options: small, smallest, small, medium, and large. Let's experiment with large to medium to small to smallest. Let's select large. Okay. Now this is the largest drag step will be like this. Let's change the drag step again. Right click, Preferences, Schematic, General, drag orthogonal, and change from large to medium. Okay, let's move this. As you can see, this step changed this. Let's right click and change the drag step again. Schematic, General, drag orthogonal, and let's change it to small. Okay, now let's drag this. As you can see, this was large, medium, small. Let's change to the smallest setting. Right click, Preferences, Schematic, General, drag orthogonal, and let's select the smallest. Okay, let's drag this component, and this is too small. And that is how the drag orthogonal option works. Thank you.